Hey there, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and today I'm going to share with you some of the products that are involved in our DIY spray foam kit that'll help you air seal your rim joists and all different parts of your attic and crawl space, so stay tuned. Okay, so we offer the FOMO products that are made by ICP Adhesives and Sealants on our website. So if you'd like to purchase any of these to do your own DIY air sealing project, then the link will be down below. But this is the HT700. This is a professional grade spray foam gun, and I'm just going to show you what this looks like really fast. The reason why we like this gun is because it gives you the ability to control how much of the product that you're using. You can just adjust the control here, and then this is our spray foam that we have available on our website. We offer this in cases, and then we have a small DIY kit and then a larger DIY kit. So if you're just working on a small project, you can buy just a few of these. But basically what you want to do is just take the top off, all right, and then this screws directly on, okay, and you'll hear it pressurize, okay, and then you can control how much you use based on the adjustment here. And the nice thing about this is if you leave it on, if you're going to do another project tomorrow or you didn't finish up and there's still spray foam in the can, you can leave it connected. Now once you empty the can, you need to immediately put another can on or use the acetone cleaner, and basically you would just take this off, take the lid off of this, and just screw that on and then spray through until the cleaner cleans out all of the spray foam. Now, if you let the spray foam dry inside this gun, the gun's dead. You're not going to be able to use it. So make sure you have this handy with you, the acetone multi-purpose cleaner handy with you all the time so that you can clean this gun really good, okay? I don't know if you heard it, but it just pressurized, okay? And then you just pull the trigger and it'll come right out, all right? So that's how it would look. And I didn't want to put the spray foam on because then I got to clean the gun again. So this is all available on our website, all right? So if you want to check it out, go to crawlspaceninja.com and look at the DIY store, or we'll put a link down below. So my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching.